guys, welcome back to my channel, Chloe V, mummy of 3. So I have got a like power hour speed clean for you today. I've been following the organised mum method for 2 or 3 weeks now. I think I've lost track of time, and it's been working really well until today. So the current state of my bedroom hasn't been this messy for ages, and I've got some toys in the hallway. Kitchen needs some TLC. My bathroom needs a clean that every day, and I don't know what the... Okay, so it's not too bad in here. The kids have actually tidied up their cuddly toys and things, but still it needs some attention. I have a feeling I'm going into the danger zone, which is the kids' room. And oh yes, yeah, we've got beds that need making in here, toys that need tidying up, just various reasons today I haven't done my jobs this morning. The main reason being I am shattered. So I didn't get anything done this morning apart from my workouts and a shower, and then I just had to get the kids to school. So that's what we've done. So I'm just gonna set my timer for probably an hour and a half, being realistic, and see how much I can get done in that time. So I'm gonna stick some tunes on the Alexa. Usually when I say her name, she pipes up, and see what I can get done. So yeah, either watch me for inspiration or just clean alongside me, and yeah, let's bash out this housework. Actually, for you, I look considerably fancier doing my housework than I would if I wasn't putting this on YouTube. I've just put on like my maxi dress that I don't wear out anymore because I feel like I just don't feel like it's one I can wear out anymore. It's a bit short, so I just put that on like when it's warmer and I'm just bumming around the house. And I don't even usually have a bra on with it, but I've got my bikini top on for, modesty. So yeah, you've got the fancy version of me doing my housework rather than the version of me in my pajamas, just wandering around with a duster. Oh. Kids make so much mess. You can put it in your bedroom though, so that you don't make any more mess, please. I don't want to tidy up. So my room is super messy today. It's just got toys all over it. I've got to sort out the clothes in our box. Ones that are too dirty to go back in the drawers, but too clean to go in the wash, basically. Just got to make my bed, give it a quick dust, because I did dust properly yesterday, Miss Lily, and then give it a quick hoover. I've got my favourite little duster. I love this thing. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. It's a bit sad that I do love it that much, but I do love it. I just find having dark furniture, it just shows all of the dust all the time, and it just makes you feel like your room's not clean. So I do dust it thoroughly once a week, but if I've got the time, I will just give it a quick go over with that little fluffy yellow one. So that's the bedroom done. Now I'm going to move on to my hallway, which is actually Tuesday is my hallway and bathroom day sometimes, depending on whether I did my bathroom the day before or not. But I had some extra time yesterday, so I did do my bathroom properly yesterday. So today I just need to tidy up. I need to dust my hallway and hoover the edges and everything. It's raining now, so I won't bother cleaning my front door like I usually would, because that seems very counterproductive when it's raining. Lily's little shopping basket of toys. Brilliant toy, getting a little trolley and basket and food for her. But oh my goodness. Did you hear that thunder? We're having thunderstorms. Oh, Lily's exciting.
Yeah.
Thunderstorms. I do love our hallway because it's a big hallway, so it does feel like it's a real sort of usable room. The kids do play in there with their things, because it's like the main walk-through area. I do like to give it a quick dust every day, and we've got like quite pronounced ridges in our doors, and they do collect dust as well. LiQWYD. I like to use this on all the carpets and any of the upholstery. So I've been doing a load of laundry every day, and it's really been keeping my washing basket down. And during the nicer weather I've been able to do 2 loads of laundry a day, and my washing basket's virtually empty. Lily loves her princesses. She's always dancing. She's such a good girl while I'm cleaning. So onto something I do a billion times a day, it feels like, constantly wiping the table and wiping down the chairs. God, this is the drawers where the kids keep all their pencils and crayons and colouring books and paper and oh God knows what else. Stickers and things, and it is impossible to keep it clean and organised, so from time to time I just go through it and clear out all the rubbish, and I put quite a lot of their drawings they do into recycling. I do feel bad about it, but if we kept every single one of our kids' drawings, we would all be drowning in paper, wouldn't we? So while I've been in the living room, I've been listening to Disney princesses singing various songs because Lily loves watching it. It's one of her favourite things to watch on YouTube. So I'm just giving the living room and the dining room a very quick dust and hoover just to keep it all spit spot until the living room day. As usual, there's always little stains on the carpet that need to be gotten up. So I've done my room, the living room and the hallway and stairs. Alexa, how long is left on the timer?
You have 22 minutes left on your 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Oh God, I've still got to clean the bathroom, the kitchen, and this room, this tip of a room. Lily's just destroyed her drawers. She constantly is getting new outfits out, and I've given up trying to keep her drawers tidy because it's a battle that I'm not winning, and I'm not interested in doing it anymore, to be quite honest. She can have messy drawers. That just doesn't bother me anymore, because I don't have time every day to organise her drawers and clean them and sort out all of her clothes and make them nice, just so that 10 minutes later she can come in here, throw everything out, pick another dress, and 20 minutes later after that come in, throw it all out and pick another dress. So I give up. It's me surrendering from trying to sort her drawers out. Anyway, I better get on and stop chatting, otherwise my time is going to run out and I'm still going to be cleaning. So I'm doing more laundry, folding more laundry. My life is governed by laundry, like most mums I would imagine. And a room just looks and feels so much tidier when the beds are made. There's no two ways about it. Oh, I just banged my head really hard on the flipping bed. And that is not the sentence I want to say right now. Oh my God, what is it with me and banging my head? I banged it on the sink a few weeks ago and really hurt myself. Oh, okay, let's just carry on. Never mind. Just finishing giving the rooms a quick dust and a quick hoover with my concussion that I got from the bed. Chuck some bleach down the toilet. I'm not going to scrub it today. I gave it a scrub yesterday. So, scrub it tomorrow. Doesn't need doing every day. I do, however, have to clean the mirror every single day because I don't know why we just touched it, but we do. You need a wee wee. Okay. Oh, hold on, let me just touch the toilet, there's bleach in there. Hold on, perfect. So my timer has just gone off. It's telling me that I've been doing this for an hour and 15 minutes. An hour and 15 minutes I've been doing this now for. More than what I'd usually spend, only because I felt like the house was just quite messy because I didn't get a chance to do anything today, so I just spruce it up a bit and make it feel a bit nicer. So it's taken me longer than I usually would probably spend to do all that. I've still got to just finish cleaning the bathroom and do the kitchen, but oh, kitchen's a mess. But never mind. Such is life, nothing ever goes completely according to plan. I didn't plan on whacking my head. Oh, it really did hurt. Like right, I just cracked it right here. I won't be surprised if I get a headache later on from that. At least I didn't cry this time. I banged my head, like I said a few weeks ago, on this sink in here, and oh, I cried for about 10 minutes. It was so painful. Anyway, enough chatting, more cleaning. Just on a quick side note, does anybody else's children just cover the sink in toothpaste every single day, meaning you need to clean it every single day? I mean, I know we only have one bathroom between the 5 of us, but you know, Gareth and I don't do it. And Lily has a lot of supervision while she does her teeth still, because she's nearly 4, she's going July. So yeah, it's the boys. It's the boys just spitting toothpaste in the sink and not washing it down, and just, yeah. So I need to clean this bathroom every flipping day. Which, to be honest, I'll probably give it a quick wipe over every day anyway, to save it from getting really gummy at the end of the week. But there we go. The boys and their toothbrushing habits.
I do like to give the toilet a very quick wipe over each day, and then I give it a thorough clean once a week.
This is my lovely little plant. Although I think I've got paint splats on it from where I did the grout. Whoops, Claire. But also I've just noticed Charlie, little monkey, his nightmare with toothpaste. His nightmare with toothpaste, and he gets it everywhere. And it's all over my plant pot, which is very annoying. I have to turn around the wall, that's silly. But anyway, this is my plant that brings me joy every time I see it. It might be really sad, but there we go. It's the little things in life, isn't it? Just gonna give the floor a very quick spray and wipe, and I've lost my cloth. I've actually managed to get my washing basket down to 0. I've got 2 loads ready to go in. Doing a load of washing a day really helps. It really keeps the washing down, especially when the weather's nice, because obviously it dries that much faster, so you can do a bit more washing, and it won't be as, the washing baskets won't be empty when it's the winter. But that's okay, because I'll be doing a load a day, so they certainly won't be overflowing, I hope. Right, I'm going to vacuum in the bathroom now, and because my whole stairs and landings are easy to do, I always do a thorough hoover to the edges in here on that day. And the rest of the week it just goes around the hoover. Today it gets special treatment everywhere. That's my bathroom done. What are you doing? Are you going to put your cardigan on? What's so funny? Your cardigan is funny. Okay. I'm not going to clean the bath today because I gave that a scrub yesterday. So I can't keep doing it today. And I am not willing to put the time to do that every day either. But now I do need to tackle the kitchen. So let's go and do that with me giggly giggles here. Right. Just getting Lily a snack. Of course she wants some crisps. Well, I've hoovered. Of course she wants some crisps. Right, I've taken the recycling out. I've shoved a hot cross bun in my mouth and eaten that for my lunch. I've just opened up my bread bin and I forgot on Saturday the kids, Charlie mainly, was being absolutely horrific. And I confiscated his Lego, and I've just, look where I put it. I put it in there so I wouldn't find it. And I've just found it, I forgot it was in there. So I'm going to go put that back in his room. Right, so I cleaned all the cupboards down. Now I need to tackle the washing up. Now I'm sure there are very disciplined people out there who do their washing up all the time, every night, without fail, after dinner. I have recently become one of those people, fairly disciplined anyway, to do it, but I haven't done it after dinner last night. I haven't done it after breakfast this morning. So now it looks like that. And also the kids like packed lunchy bits as well that I had to make this morning, their sandwiches and fruit. So now I've got to tackle that lovely thing. Wipe all the sides down. Hoover in here. I think I cleaned the floor in here yesterday, so I won't need to do that. And then I'll be done. I'll have a cup of tea before I go into the school run. This is a function I absolutely love about my sink. And my husband, because he installed it for me. My garbage waste disposal. Chuck all the crud down there. Never had one of these before. And I love it. And voila, just like that. From hovel to house proud. So that is the housework done. I've just got to put this little pile of washing away and that's it. So thank you for watching my video. I hope it's been interesting. If you have been inspired to clean your house or it's motivated you to get your housework done, it's always nice to have someone cleaning alongside you on jobs you don't want to do, because let's face it, it's not the most thrilling thing to do, is it, the housework? So I spent longer on it today than I had planned, but it was a little bit more messy than it usually is. So there we go, such is life. Things don't always go according to plan, do they? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I bring like haul related content, motherhood, family stuff and cleaning videos from time to time. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed and I will see you in the next one.